Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Your name?
Dr. Mohammad Ali Naqvi.
You're going to be reciting tonight.
Hamd Bari Ta'ala in Urdu.
Go ahead.
I choose Alhamd, which is Hamd Bari Ta'ala, so it's basically in Urdu, the divine beauty of God. And the reason I choose that, I think it has got a lot of variation, and I had a lot of margin to prove my potential in terms of high and low pitch, and that's why I choose that one.
کوئی تو ہے جو نظام ہستی چلا رہا ہے وہی خدا دکھائی بھی جو نہ دے نظر بھی وہ آ رہا ہے وہی خدا ہے وہی خدا ہے وہی خدا نظر بھی رکھے سماتے بھی وہ جان لیتا ہے نیتیں بھی جو خانہ لاشعور میں جگمگا رہا ہے وہی خدا ہے تلاش اس کو نہ کر بتوں میں وہ ہے بدلتی رتوں میں جو دن کو رات اور رات کو دن بنا رہا ہے وہی خدا ہے وہی خدا ہے وہی خدا ہے کوئی تو ہے جو نظام ہستی چلا رہا ہے وہی خدا
Definitely feeling nervous. I was having goosebumps. I was very nervous because the judges obviously were giving very useful comment, and obviously they know what they're talking about. So I thought there wasn't any margin of error. So I was definitely very nervous. But I must say that since the first 10-15 seconds, I actually got quite comfortable, and then actually I enjoyed my performance, to be honest.
I think the best thing that you have that's going for you is your voice, the quality of it. It's soft, it's soothing. Yeah. But you took on Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan Sahab, right?
Yeah.
That's the grand maestro. Rarely do people touch it and I think, how recent did you start reciting?
In 2012, since I came to this country, okay. My wife pushed me to
2012. Start. Okay. I think you put all your effort in the stanza, and in the line you just kept it very soft. But I don't think it's necessary to just keep your volume low in the beginning. کوئی تو ہے جو نظام ہستی. So I think even in the first astai, I think you need to show the power. Maybe you kept the pitch lower so you can go higher.
Yeah, that's exactly
but
what
somewhere you should show it. Show your full strength. You have, I think you were holding back. I think you have a lot of potential. I would, maybe go to a vocal coach. I think you have a lot of potential. You can, just the notes, work on the notes. Your voice quality is amazing, mashallah.
Thank you.
Ahsantum, Sayyid Jalal, please.
Dr. Mohammad Ali Naqvi, beautiful recitation. Mainly you recited in Maqam Ajam. I like your flexibility. You have very flexible voice, as Sayyid mentioned. So you have to work because you have potentially a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have to nourish it. Thank you.
Ahsantum, Sayyidna. And lastly, Mullah Nazar, please.
Oh, mashallah, Dr. Mohammad Ali Naqvi. Instead of giving my feedback, I will ask you a question.
Of course.
Yeah, it will be more benefit for everyone. What we have to drink to keep our voice strong?
Abu Zamzam.
What?
Abu Zamzam.
Interesting.
Abu Zamzam is not available here. Say something else, yani.
I normally...
Ginger, something.
I'll tell you what I normally do. Before I have to recite, I normally have hot water with a lemon, ginger, and a bit of honey. That actually opens your voice.
Bravo. Thank you. Thank you. It's very benefit for everyone.
Sorry to actually interrupt here. How to strong the voice?
To keep it strong.
We can't strong the voice with water.
No, to keep. If it's strong, just to keep it strong.
Yeah, to keep it, yes. But we can't strong our voice with water. The water just can smooth your voice.
With chicken masala, maybe.
Chicken masala is destroying your voice. Yeah,
I think
to make your voice strong, as I told you, increase the dimension of your voice. Lower pitch, the difference between the lower pitch and the highest pitch. Yeah. It should be around 21 pitches.
Okay.
3 octaves.
Sure.
Okay?
Perfect.
That made absolute sense to every single one of us, but definitely you. Thank you so much for your time, Sayyid Jalal. And of course, thank you for your time as well. Thank you very much. Guys, put your hands together for that.
Thank you very much. All alone and my heart.
Dictor, how did it go? I think it went all right. I think it was as I expected. Obviously, the comments were quite useful, and obviously I'm going to work on that.